The hawk-eyed explorer. Understanding the phrase, hawk-eyed. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that many of you might have come across but perhaps never fully understood, hawk-eyed. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning, but also how to use it confidently in your conversations. The phrase, hawk-eyed, is an adjective, and it's a compound word made up of two parts. 1. Hawk, a type of bird known for its keen eyesight. 2. Eyed, a suffix that denotes having eyes with a particular characteristic. Together, hawk-eyed describes someone with a sharp or keen eyesight, often implying that they are very observant or attentive. Understanding the origin of a phrase can often help in grasping its meaning. The hawk is a bird of prey, known for its outstanding vision. It's able to spot tiny prey from high altitudes, showcasing a remarkable attention to detail. Hence, the term, hawk-eyed, is metaphorically used to describe someone who can spot details easily or someone who doesn't miss much. Now that we understand its meaning and origin, let's look at how to use hawk-eyed in a sentence. 1. The hawk-eyed editor spotted the tiny errors that everyone else had missed. 2. During the treasure hunt, you need to be hawk-eyed to find all the clues. 3. His hawk-eyed attention to detail is what makes him a top detective. If you ever want to mix up your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for hawk-eyed. Observant, alert, vigilant, sharp-sighted. Remember, synonyms can have nuanced differences in meaning, so always consider the context before choosing which one to use. We've journeyed through the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, hawk-eyed. I hope this video sheds light on this fascinating phrase, and now you can proudly use it in your conversations. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the beauty of the English language.